Hi everyone, welcome back to Ballet Express. Today's video is, Jessica,
the easiest way to master this movement.
Okay, so mastering a movement. We have done pliés, we have done grand pliés. Now it is time to move on to TENDU. You see that bell right down there? Click on that right down there. Subscribe, nerdy bell. Let's go. Now, we start with, what does TENDU mean? The most easy way to describe a TENDU is literally stretch. So we are stretching our leg in this position. So it's not bent, it is not anything else, it is straight all the time. While we do these TENDUs, we have a nice supporting leg and we have a good posture. So click on these videos right here if you missed out on any of that. It's really good to check them out. Now in the most extended position, we need to have a nice straight leg and pointed foot as much as possible. When we go devant to the front, you need to make sure that you have a nice heels turning outwards as much as possible. So holding that nice beautiful turnout. Also to the back, you make sure that your heel is not this way. If you look at yourself in the mirror, this is not the best line because it's broken by your heel. But if you are holding your nice supporting leg in your first position and you take that leg and you turn it out and put it all the way to the ground, then you get a nice beautiful flowing line. Ooh. And that is what ballet basically is. Flowing, beautiful aesthetics that we train over and over and over again, as always. So, TENDU, devant. Devant means to the front. Now what you do is you stand in your nice beautiful first position and you are going to trace a path along a line. So imagine you have a line in between your heels that's going from the front all the way to the back and from the side all the way to the side. We've got a nice cross. Now your heel needs to keep on that line the whole time. Hold the supporting leg muscles as strong as you can and you're going to push into the floor as much as you can through your foot. So through your foot, through your demi-point, and then go into your pointed foot completely, straight legs. And as you see, I've traced a path with my heel along that line. And coming in, I go from my toes to my foot, and I bring it in. And I'm still holding it nice and strong on my legs. Now we'll go to the side. The side is exactly the same. Straight legs and turn out. And then we push through the floor. We go through our toes, right, demi-point. And then we go all the way to our point or fully extended foot. Then you make sure that you have that rotation so that our foot is not like this. It has to rotate out because it just looks very, very nice like that. Then coming back in through the toes, all the way through the foot and putting into your first position. Everything exactly the same to derriere. Now derriere means going to the back or derriere, that's a good way to think of it. So we have our first position and still going to draw a line along that cross that you've come in your own cross and you are going to push all the way through your foot, all the way up through your demi-point or toes and go all the way to your pointed foot and coming in through the toes, through the full foot and back into your first position, holding those muscles nice and strong, holding that turnout as well. So that is enough learning for today. If you just want to do this in an exercise, I would just recommend doing as many TENDUs devant as you can, second as you can, and derriere as you can. If you put on some beautiful music and just count to 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. You can do that maybe 8 times in each direction and that's it. Try that every day, hopefully you'll get really strong. So thank you so much for watching. We are going to be doing tendus in 5th position, which is this position, in the next video. So, to make sure you don't miss that, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Subscribe! Hit that notification bell. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Oh, enough of that. Hey.